Well, being hard of hearing experiences, is living in a hearing world. It's not really easy. It's always been difficult.
Really, socially, I feel I'm on my own a lot of the time. I go to the same sort of things each week because they're comfortable things that I know about. Joining something new is impossible for me.
A lot of people feel cut off. There are many people who have plenty of family, have plenty of friends, but because of the hearing loss, they're only on the fringe of things and not actually involved. Here to Meet is a befriending project which is pan-Wales. And it's all about setting up social opportunities for people aged 50 plus who have hearing loss.
The Here to Meet group is a lottery funded project from the big lottery, and we've had it for 5 years. We're incredibly lucky.
I've been coming for the 3 years. I came the first day and I've been ever since. It's really good. I really enjoy it.
In this group, I feel 100% happy that I'm being understood. I'm not being pointed at or laughed at.
But I think what the group has done for me more than anything is the companionship. I'm not a confident person, so I have found a lot of confidence through this group.
But here, we all feel comfortable. I feel comfortable.
But there are people who won't have spoken to anybody for days, and that's very sad, which is why these groups are so important.
Ariel was terrible when she first started, but now she's with it, you know, and we, as I say, we have all this banter with them, you know, it's great.
I haven't got any friends. People don't call to see me. Coming here, at least people talk to you.
I've not really had problems, but I hear a lot of other problems that people have. And I know, should things get worse, I would know what to do about it and who to go to.
We look forward to coming here because we're going to greet people with similar problems who in the course of the conversation might in fact provide an answer, or you can provide an answer for them.
We get demonstrations of useful equipment and things like that, so it's been really helpful.
And I can always more or less hear what's going on, whereas out in the wide world I don't really stand much of a chance at picking up what's going on. So it's an absolutely vital part of my life.
The lip reading classes are a real pleasure. They're not only learning to lip read, but also the social aspect of it as well.
From our point of view as independent evaluators, we had to be satisfied that the project was worth the investment that the big lottery made in it. We are absolutely satisfied. The evidence that we heard from people was compelling, and we feel overall that the Here to Meet project has done an excellent job in setting out to reduce that social isolation and to make connections between people and to have a real impact on their overall quality of life.
The Here to Meet project finishes in December 2016. On the plus side, we do have groups that will continue.
So where this group will go from here, I don't know, but it'll be upwards and onwards. It won't be backwards, that's for sure.
Now that we're coming to the end of the project, you see really the benefit that the groups have had for people, how much more friendlier they are with each other, how much more willing they are to engage and talk to each other in groups. It's just been fantastic that we've had so many people out there that have become part of the Action on Hearing Loss family.
Yes, I think Action on Hearing Loss of making it possible for hard of hearing people to come together in this way.
We're enormously grateful for the funding.
Oh, I'm very grateful to them, yes.
Thank you very much.
Well, it's just a huge thank you. I mean, we've benefited a great deal from the fact that they've been prepared to support us.